What is going on, guys? Stas here. Welcome back to another video. So we're going to break down Palantir stock in this video and the indexes, which really nothing's in the green right now. We have Palantir stock down about 2.2%. The Dow's down 0.25%. The S&P's down 0.5%. The Nasdaq's down almost 1%. And actually, wait, I misspoke. The Russell is in the green. It's up 0.3%. All right, we'll give it to the Russell. But that's after yesterday's, I think, almost 2% red day. So, yeah, we're starting to sell off a bit here in these indexes. And, of course, Palantir, which, again, we're going to break all this down in this video. So hit the like button. Feel free to subscribe. And you might as well follow me on X and on TikTok. Those are linked down below, guys. And with that being said, cheers. Let's dive right into the video. Actually, first, let me make my face a bit smaller. There we go. Beautiful. So we can see right here, Palantir is down 2.25, actually now 2.3%, and that's 55 cents in the red here, as it is about 11:30 a.m. on the East Coast. So mind you, we're only 2 hours into this session on Friday, by the way. Today's Friday. Happy Friday. Hope you guys have had a great week. So yeah, we're down a bit here starting off this Friday, and yesterday we sold off pretty much all day as well. You guys can see in the pre-market yesterday we were at $25.50 right here. That was at about 6:30 a.m. and then we sold off to roughly $25, which is where we opened, and then we pretty much sold off for the rest of the day yesterday. We opened at 25, closed at about 24.40, but the low of the day yesterday was at about 24.15, and this morning we hit 23.63 pretty much as the markets opened. I don't think we opened there, but we opened a bit higher. Then we collapsed in the first minute or two of trading. Then we rebounded a bit, but still we've been downtrending all day today as well. So now it's safe to say Palantir stock is back in this trading window that we've covered time and time again here in these Palantir update videos. Now we're down about $4 from the recent highs. You guys can see now, we're down 14% on this 30-minute chart. You can see that we have a death cross as well. And like I said, we're back in this channel. You guys can see here on the 20-day chart and on the 4-hour chart how we were trading in this channel between $23-ish as support with resistance at about $25, $25.50, right? So clearly we're back in that window right now, and we're heading towards the 180 SMA on the 4-hour chart, which is at the bottom of this channel, and that's right at about, $22.50, 60 cents-ish, right? So I wouldn't be surprised if Palantir came down a little bit more, and then I'd be super interested to see what would happen in the mid-22s, low 23s. That's a big spot for the bulls here, guys, because if Palantir does not bounce off that level, man, you could make the argument that this is due to sell off even more, or it might sell off even more in the short term, maybe down to $20 flat, $21. It's not like it's going to collapse back to the teens, at least in my opinion, if it falls through the 180 SMA here. But it might come down to these levels that I'm drawing out right here, which one key one is at 21.50 to about 21.75, which is where we peaked in the end of November. And another key spot is $21, which you guys probably know. That was the high from back in early August, $20 flat essentially, and early December. So look, we might be coming down a bit more. 180 SMA, that'd be a very interesting spot, potentially as a buy the dip trade. Obviously, I'm not telling you guys what to do. I'm kind of just thinking out loud here for myself. But yeah, if it comes down anywhere 15, 20% from the recent highs, that in my opinion is extremely enticing, at least for me. I'm not telling you guys what to do, but I'm kind of just thinking out loud here, as clearly the bulls are still in charge. We kind of got a bit overbought, I guess you can say, here after earnings and after that big pump to 27.50. Now we're just cooling off a bit, right? This is healthy. This movement that I'm seeing in Palantir stock on the charts is very healthy, and I'm pretty sure all of you guys out there can agree. Let me know in the comments if you agree, if you disagree. I'd love to hear your thoughts as well in the comments. And yeah, let's talk about some movers here, the indexes, what's going on. So triple Q, which you guys know is the NASDAQ 100, this is down yet again 1% after yesterday's red day, which I think it went down 0.5%. What was it yesterday exactly? Maybe less. Yeah, maybe 0.4%. Either way, we're building on the gain, or not the gains, the losses from yesterday, right? Now we just hit a fresh low on the 5-day chart. We took the lows out from yesterday, day before. And here on the 10-day chart, we also hit a low on triple Q, probably for SPY as well. Let me pull that up and see. Actually, no, SPY's looking a lot better. SPY's in a lot better shape in the very short term here, actually, than triple Q is. And a lot of that's because, of course, we're seeing a big sell-off in some of the biggest tech stocks in the world. Apple's down a lot recently. Nvidia is taking a bit of a haircut. We have Google down today. A couple other ones are down. And by haircut, I mean, look, Nvidia is obviously still ripping, but it is down almost $100 from the recent highs. You guys have to realize that. So, yeah, triple Q is at a fresh low on the 30-minute. On the 4-hour chart, you guys can see clearly still holding an uptrend. We're kind of wrestling right now with the 180 SMA here. We'll see what it does. But, yeah, I'm not concerned really at all. This is just a healthy pullback by, my opinion here, by the way I'm seeing it. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And like I said, the Russell is up about 0.5% after yesterday's beatdown. Yesterday it went down 1.8%, I believe, and now we're just seeing a bit of a relief rally. That's really all this is, which we can see here on the 5-day, 5-minute chart, a bit of a relief rally here on the Russell. And for some stocks that are moving, let me show you guys some other stocks here that are moving right now. We have, funny enough, AMC, which I think is in the coffin already. But, hey, you could trade it maybe in and out here. But in terms of there being a squeeze, the mother of all squeezes, I think that's done. That's dead. It's gone. It's buried, guys. It's over with, in my opinion. But, hey, some short-term moves, we could potentially see that. And today we're up 6%. Nice little move there for AMC. We have SPCE also up. So it looks like a lot of these more speculative stocks, at least on my watch list, are up today. So Virgin Galactic's up 5%. Nikola, which is the mother of all spec stocks, is up almost 4.5%. Let's see what else. Looks like Rivian's starting to make a move back up here. Up over 3%, but still obviously very beaten down on this 4-hour chart. What else is moving? Anything? Oh man, AMD has actually taken a bit of a haircut here. This looks really interesting in my opinion. So we'll end off here. AMD is one that I called out. You guys probably remember a couple of weeks ago when it was in this triangle, right? We called the breakout out of 185, 180, 185, whatever, and it got all the way to 225. Now we're right back down to where we were before pretty much, right? 185, 190, 195. We're holding there as support right now. Old resistance as support, which is great. And now we're looking to see if we're going to get another big move, which is kind of what I'm personally waiting for. We'll see. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Feel free to hit the like button, subscribe. Don't forget, we're trying to get to 50,000 subs this year. I appreciate you all for tuning in and subscribing as always. And if you want some free stocks, check out that Moomoo link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. Open up your account and fund it with at least $100. You get 5 stocks, and fund your account with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 stocks, and each of those could be valued up to $2,000, guys. It's a no-brainer. Get on it. Use that link down below. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.